Welcome to the first class of this course. So today we'll learn this structure. Look, subject plus verb. In every English sentence you have to have one verb and subject. Without verb you can't have any sentence in English, right? So this is the structure one, you can say subject plus verb. Okay, a dancer dances. Don't focus on my pronunciation, right? Just focus on the structure of English sentence. A dancer dances. Here look, dancer. A dancer is a subject. I can denote by s, and this is verb. Look, fire burns. Fire burns. This is subject and this is verb, right? Okay, so let me give you the definition of subject and verb. So look at here. Is person, what is subject? Subject is a person or thing that is performing or expressing the action of a verb. Look, here who dances? The answer is dancer. So dancer is here performer, that is subject. Look again, a person or thing that is performing or expressing the action of a verb, right? So dancer dances, so dancer is here subject. Okay, a is a modifier of subject, that is another thing we'll learn step by step. So here is the another definition of subject. Look, the noun or noun phrase. I will tell you a noun phrase later. Okay, the noun or noun phrase that carries out the action of the sentence, right? Noun or noun phrase that carries out the action of the sentence. Look, here verb express action, so dances is the action, right? This is verb. Who dances? A dancer. So the noun or noun phrase that carries out the action of the sentence, so that is subject. What is verb? Verb describes the action. Look, here action is burns and dances. Look, a dancer is a noun phrase. Noun phrase. The structure of noun phrase is determiner. You know that article is a one type of determiner. Determiner plus noun. So here determiner is a and noun is dancer, right? So noun phrase can function as like a noun, right? So a dancer is a noun phrase which is functioning here as a subject. Here fire is a subject because look, fire burns. A person or thing that is performing or expressing the action of a verb, right? So fire. I hope, believe and expect that you have learned something from this lecture. You will learn more ideas about the secrets of the English sentence, right? So thank you for viewing this video. Be well.